Welcome. If you felt earlier explanation were too abstract or static, today we are doing a literal step-by-step practical walkthrough. I'm going to show you the exact terminal commands to type, the exact folders that appears in the VS Code or any IDEs, and how we put basically requirement line by line to build a personal portfolio website. Okay, so let's start. So okay, so as you can see, there is a screen. So in step one, basically, we have you have to open your VS Code, by the way, and then you have to write one command. You have to just write this UVX, and then you can just copy and paste this, and it will install everything, and then you can see here that it will create a constitutions.md file and the spec folder. So these are the measure files basically where you have to define what you have to build. Now next, basically in constitutions.md file, where you are going to define like what you need, what stack basically you want. So basically for me, like right now we are going to create a one simple portfolio using HTML5, CSS3 and vanilla ES6 JavaScript. And then we are going to like we want basically one styling rules that click clean dark mode, uh, aesthetic with vibrant gradients. Now the constraints, like basically what I'm telling to basically AI not to use. I'm telling do not use Tailwind or React, keep code beginner friendly. So basically I required a very basics code including HTML, CSS, JavaScript, that's it. Now next, in portfolio.md file, so you understand that, right? In constitution.md file, we have to define our plan, our basically the feature what I want. Okay, in portfolio.md file, so basically here like you have to define your portfolio, like basically what portfolio you want to design. So right now I want to design my own portfolio where I can have a one simple website, one responsive personal portfolio where it can show my bio and my projects, that's it. Next, header requirement, that what I want in header, that friendly hero banner with the student name and developer role. Basically top up website, there will be a my name and the develop my role, that's it. Next, m- it should, like I'm telling that interactive feature, like how it should be there, right? Must include a button that toggles between dark mode and light mode. So basically I want a one website where I can just click toggle button, then it can convert into the light mode and the dark mode as well. Let's see. So after writing those information like the portfolio.md and the constitutions.md file, you have to just write some command that specify plan, and then you have to write the your like basically file. Either if you are not writing the file, that's fine, not an issue. So what it will do, it will create a one plan for you, like what AI will basically follow. So it will basically create a proper plan, that this is the architectural blueprint, that first it will create the index.html, second it will create a style.css and the JavaScript basically .js file. Next, now let's see, like it will now create the tasks. I mean, after like completing the architectural, it will now create the tasks. Now the task one is the build HTML skeleton in index.html, applying styling font in style.css, add toggle. So these are the basically tasks it will be defined. So how it will help us? Okay, so in between, like you have given the tasks, and after 2 hours either like it close, your tab is closed, might be your cursor or any AI like you are using, and then you have utilized all the credits. Okay, so if you are going with the different like AI, so it will not confuse, that AI will not confuse. It can easily remember everything, because everything we are maintaining inside our files, y- you can say that kind of one task management like a project we have defined inside our project repository. Now for example, task 1, it will create a basically a simple index.html file. Okay, so this way like you can test, okay, like what's working. Now next, it will add some styling, you can actually navigate and you can see like a task by task. Next, build a working toggles like where you can click on the toggle button. It's a very simple like a simple kind of a website which we have given, that basically in the inside the constitution.md file. If we want like complete a feature where I can define, I want a complete uh work basically portfolio where I can basically um, send to any HR, so it can generate proper tasks for you. Okay, so summary of the commands which we have used: one is we have installed the GitHub basically Spec-Kit, and then we have written the constitution.md file, and then we have defined our portfolio. Then we ran some command that is specify plan, specify tasks, and then specify implementation, meaning that it will start implementations. I hope that like that you understand. If you have any doubt, just ping me.